First, place the product on a non-metallic level surface and make sure there are no metal objects nearby. Connect the power and the adapter port. Since this naked levitator system has a strong magnetic force, when operating for the first time, you can place a piece of sponge on the base to prevent damage to the base system or injury in case of mishandling. Hold the disc horizontally with both hands. Align it with the center of the base and slowly lower it. When you feel a force lifting the disc into suspension, you can gradually release your hands. If you feel the disc shifting to every side, pick it up and reposition it. As failure is unavoidable at first, patient and repeat several times if necessary. Once you become skilled with the operation, the sponge pad can be removed for more precise alignment with the center of the base.